Hello guys, so today I've added new features to the software and I wanted to show them to you. So the features I've added is that we can be able to, any user of the user of the system can be able to generate statements. As you normally go to your bank and you want to see a bank statement of maybe your payment or your salary, or maybe your contributions of either savings, shares, or salary, you can be able to generate the statement. The statements they normally generate to you, of course, mostly are PDFs. So I've added that feature to all these contributions. So I'm going to show you. Let's say, for example, in this uh, payment for the savings, as you can see, we have Mia, Ian, Jack, and Kate Liam. So what you're going to do if you want to generate the statement for any of these people, just click on statement, and then you have a member. You can select one of them. Let's start with Kate Liam, and this is my working directory. So I'm going to generate them here, and they're going to be here in the report section. So when you come to the report sections, you'll be able to be having several folders. So after selecting Get Liam, I'm just going to click on generate report, and you can see savings uh, statement has been generated. So when you come here, we have the savings folder. Then you can see your Get Liam statement, a savings statement. Then when you open it, you're going to get your statement. Of course, we have the bank state details and the savings statement. We have the member name, member ID, phone number, account number. You have the date of payment and the amount and the total here and this down here. And you can come and generate for any other person. And of course, you can add them another. Let me try adding for Liam. When you select them, you're going to get all the other details. You can say maybe deposited 2,000 today. Then we can also say so deposited like 2,500. Then we can change it here to maybe second 25th, or we can have a this well distributed. Then we can say maybe 22,000, maybe 15th. Okay, we can generate a statement for me and Noah. Then we're going to have the statement here. See 22,000, 2,500. We have the total contribution. So this is the case of savings. And you can come back to shares. Of course, the same thing can be done. You can add the shares. Let me add for maybe Clinton. Say maybe it's 15,000 today, and then you can maybe say then I can come here, statement section. Then I'm going to select a member, was Clinton Moshe. I'm going to generate their statement. Then you can see here shares. Okay. Member ID, the payments and the amount. I think one thing I can do next is I need to format this so that they can be formatted in thousands and millions. Maybe. Of course, you can edit them as well. Edit them. And then you can also come to the salary. Maybe you want to see your statement for salary payments. And one thing you should take note is, you see, in this case, we have savings, shares, and salary. Then when we come back to our helper function, withdrawals. Now I'm selecting them based on the account type. So we have savings, salary, shares, business. So what that means is if I'm going to come to the savings section, that's an account type. So if as a member your account type is savings, that's when you can be able to add a savings. Okay, if as a member your account type is for business and you come here in your contributions, you should be having a business account to make a business contribution. So that's why you see when you come to different savings, you click here. We have more than 15 members. We have about 15 members, but as you can see we have only 4. So that means only 4 accounts are for savings. Then when you come to shares, only 3 of them are for shares. Okay, and then when you come to salary, only 3 of them are salary accounts. So that also counts. So this one is for salary. I need to add a salary payment. Let's say you can select Grace Hannah, was phone number, ID, all the details are selected. You can say maybe she has been paid 30,000, maybe for April payment. Then we can also add April, May, maybe June. Then we can say July. We can also add several. Let's add more. So we have several payments for Anna, and then we can generate their statements. Then we come to the reports section. Then we have salary. Okay. Then you can view the statements. So as you can see here, we have various payments. A payment for September, July. Okay, I think I have to sort them by month. Sort them by month because I was sorting them by date of payment, so that we can have January, February, March, April. So basically that's what I added. And about the case whereby we have more than one page, I've not tested it, so let me see if I can test it and ensure that it's working. And to see if when we have various January, February, March, October, that I want to see if when we have more details, more documents, if the page numbering is working. So December, let me say May. Let me just add multiple for entry. I wanted to see if I'm going to be showing for multiple pages. That's why I'm adding so many records. This one for the next page. Okay, let's test it out. Hope it has generated multiple pages. Okay, page 1 of 2. Okay, I need to add more. Need to add like 2, 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the latest one is this one. We have that one. Jan, May. Yes, it's working. Yay! As you can see, if you have a long statement, no matter how many the pages, page 1 of 2, page 2 of 2. So it's working, guys. So I'll keep adding more features, and once I'm done with the system, I'll definitely release it for everybody to test it. So thank you guys, and see you in the next video.